Looking for the hottest CES 2026 tech you can actually buy in 2025? Get ready to upgrade your life with these mind-blowing gadgets available right now or for pre-order. Don't miss out on securing the future. Check the links in the description below to grab these amazing products early. First up, the incredible number 1, TCL 85-inch X11L Series SQD-Mini LED Smart Google TV, a colossal display with groundbreaking SQD-Mini LED technology, promising an unparalleled home theater experience for $8,000. Next, transform your reality with number 2, Xreal 1 SAR glasses, an upgraded powerhouse offering stunning 1200 PHD resolution and a 52-degree field of view for just $449, making augmented reality more accessible than ever. Prepare for the future of health monitoring with number 3, Vivoo Smart Toilet, a device that surprisingly analyzes your hydration levels from a urine sample, sending detailed insights to your phone for just $99. Tired of cleaning your pool? Number 4. Beatbot AquaSense X robotic pool cleaner is a game-changer, featuring automatic filter cleaning and a massive debris basket that lasts 2 months. A significant investment at $4,250, but one that promises ultimate convenience. Finally, discover the discreet innovation of number 5, Pebble Index 01 Smart Ring, a sleek wearable that records thoughts and reminders with a simple press, working seamlessly with both iOS and Android platforms for only $75 during pre-order. These CES 2026 products are truly setting the stage for what's next in consumer electronics, offering both dramatic advancements and surprising utility. You won't believe the level of innovation packed into these early release gadgets, delivering futuristic experiences today. From ultimate home entertainment to personal health, effortless chores, and discreet personal assistance, this new tech for 2025 is reshaping how we live, work, and play. Secure your piece of the future today and be among the first to experience these revolutionary gadgets. Don't wait for 2026, these must-have devices are ready for you now.